Grants Pass, Oregon is just a super destination for outdoor recreation situated right here on the Rogue River. In this video, I'm going to show you all of the fun stuff you can do here. Welcome to my 3-day weekend in Grants Pass. The city is located in the Rogue Valley on the Rogue River, and Grants Pass features a nice range of fun things to do during your weekend getaway. Check out what I got up to recently as a guest of Visit Grants Pass. Oregon Caves National Monument and Preserve is a hugely popular attraction. I had a great time in the magical underworld in these incredibly well-preserved caves in the Siskiyou Mountains. Ranger tours take you along the winding passages to experience the fascinating history and geology hidden within these marble rock formations. I went on a wild jet boat ride on the Rogue River with Hellgate Jetboat Excursions. The outfitter offers a super fun 4-hour jet boat ride racing along the river. You see plenty of birds, enjoy the thrilling spins of the boat, and get an all-you-can-eat barbecue dinner at a lodge before doing it all over again on the ride back. Weekend Beer Company is the top craft beer destination in Grants Pass, with tasty beers, food trucks on site, and live music. I had a great meal and delicious cold beers on a perfect evening with new friends. You can spend a day enjoying the Rogue Valley Food Trail and Applegate Valley Wine Trail like I did. There are organic farms, vibrant markets, and pretty vineyards in the lush Applegate Valley. I savored some of the fresh foods and fine wines that are produced here at places like Pennington Farms, Wooldridge Creek Winery, and Troon Vineyard and Farm. We had a great day hike at Enchanted Forest Trail in the Applegate Valley. This is a moderate out and back hike that will get you 3.5 miles along a forested trail. You'll see birds, wildflowers, a variety of trees, and wonderful views of the valley. Of course you'll want to visit historic downtown Grants Pass. There are plenty of restaurants, boutiques, antique stores, and coffee shops. And keep your eyes out for the beautiful murals that adorn the old buildings on the side streets. Thanks for checking out the video. Happy travels.